Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 1st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're going to start off on the 1 hour time frame. So the dollar Swiss just keeps on pushing down and down and down, and if you've been watching my videos, it definitely has plenty of opportunities to go short, which I have been recommending for a long time now, only shorts in a downtrend. If we go up to the daily, I mean, yes, we have 5 waves down, but this last wave right here looks way too big to be a final wave. My next real area of support is the 78% Fibonacci retracement, which is right above the 0.775 area. So I am definitely continuing to be bearish, and I am definitely continuing to recommend shorts in a downtrend. I definitely wouldn't be going short right now at the bottom of this move. I definitely wouldn't be going long right now because the monthly's down, the weekly's down, and the daily's down. But I would definitely be patiently waiting for three-way pullbacks. I'd be waiting for Fibonacci retracement bounces, and I would be waiting for engulfing moves to the downside to go short again for these beautiful trends that the US dollar pairs are currently making. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.